in today's video I'm going to show you how to properly sketch your brow. Show you how I sketch my brow. I will first so I'll first do as if I'm doing makeup, okay? As if I'm just doing makeup on my face, my normal usual makeup. So what I do, that's how I'll just do my eye pencil as if I'm doing makeup. So the remaining parts, so let's just continue. So I'm just going to shape it this shape that is on my face now. So whichever shape that you think is good and perfect for your facial structure, just go ahead and do it. But I think I'm okay with this. See if giving the brow a perfect shape after sketching the brow. Okay, so that's how I'm doing my. So you can see right here. So the next thing, I'm just going to be taking off the extra hair from on top of where I draw my line and stop. So that is a perfect way for you to sketch your brow. So you can do a different shape. Of the extra hair that's on top of this place. So this is how it is now. So you can see here I've removed. After you've done sketching your brow, you can actually go ahead and do the normal eyebrow. So after I finished sketching it, so I just went ahead and use my eye pencil to sketch my normal brow, okay, the way I want it. You can see the shape is fine now. But if I've done this, okay, initially when I did this with the hair on it, it wasn't looking nice. So you can see how the up is shining and the down as well, because I've gotten rid of the hair. So you can see right here. So that is how to sketch your brow if you don't actually know how to sketch your brow. So the first thing, you just do this, okay? I'll just do your normal makeup here first, and then you get rid of the extra hair that remains after this. This is the perfect way. That's how I know how to do mine. Probably you have a better way of doing yours. So but this is how I do mine, okay? So from here now, whenever I want to sketch whenever I want to remove the hair again, I would not allow the hair to grow and cover up this place. I just make sure that once in a week I get rid of the hair around it to maintain it. So that's what I have for you today. Do take care of your beautiful self. See you in my next video.